नंबर सिस्टम की जब भी बात करते हैं, व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हेन यू स्टडी और व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्टडिंग नंबर सिस्टम? तो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है अंडरस्टैंडिंग नंबर्स. Oh yes, before actually going ahead with this video, do like, share, subscribe and do press the bell icon for getting notification of such content on regular basis. Now numbers. Numbers are basically majorly divided into two categories, real and imaginary. Now, imaginary number is called no real, which means they don't exist, but we can think about it, we can imagine about it. And real numbers are those numbers which exist on a number line. जो नंबर लाइन पे एग्जिस्ट करते हैं वो सारे नंबर्स हैं रियल नंबर्स. And those numbers which are not present on number line, they are imaginary numbers. Say for example, when anyone is a kid and they are studying in the school and that time अगर टीचर ने बोला होगा कि बेटा माइनस का रूट नहीं निकलता है, तो ये आप सबको एक क्वेश्चन तब होता होगा कि यार ये ऐसा क्यों नहीं निकलता है. तो बेसिकली ये कभी भी रूट 1 का माइनस नहीं हो सकता है और उसका डेफिनेशन हमने दिया है आयोटा. तो रूट 4 का अंडर रूट मतलब -4 का अंडर रूट में 4 आयोटा लिखूंगी. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनीथिंग, एनी नंबर विच इज नेगेटिव, उसका रूट हम सोच सकते हैं पर ऐसा कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं हो सकता है, उसे हम इमेजिनरी नंबर बोल सकते हैं. नाउ real numbers are further divided into two categories, rational, irrational. Rational माने the numbers who are having specific values. Specific values are there, whereas irrational numbers do not have a specificity in their values. Now there are two peculiarities of an irrational number. First is non-terminating and second is non-reoccurring. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं कोई नंबर लिखती हूँ, लेट्स से 2.734629324128 एंड सो फॉर, ये चलता ही जा रहा है. सो देखो ये टर्मिनेट नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. और देखो अगर मैं ये लिखती हूँ 2.73737373 then it is called as 2.73 bar and this is a specific value कि पीछे 737373 ही आ रहा है. सो दिस इज रीअकरिंग नंबर, 73 रिपीट हो रहा है. सो ओवर हियर इट इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एज वेल और फिर पॉइंट के बाद के नंबर्स रिपीट भी नहीं हो रहे, तो इट इज नॉन रीअकरिंग नंबर. सो इरैशनल नंबर वो हैं जो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रीअकरिंग दोनों हो, कोई एक हो तो नहीं चलेगा. नाउ देन दिस वन इज अ रैशनल नंबर, और उसका स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू है 2.73 बार. नाउ इसका मुझे p/q फॉर्म कैसे मिल सकता है, इसके लिए मैं एक और वीडियो क्रिएट करूंगी. डू वेट फॉर दैट वीडियो. बट अभी तक के लिए आप इतना याद रखिए कि दिस इज अ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रैशनल नंबर. इरैशनल नंबर में नॉन रीअकरिंग वाला भी पिक्युलरिटी होता है. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल पाई ले लो, √2 ले लो, √3 ले लो, इन सारी की वैल्यूज आप बोलोगे पाई का वैल्यू 3.14 है मैडम, ये तो हमें वैल्यू पता है, बट नॉट लाइक दैट. अगर मैं आपको स्पेसिफिकली बताऊं तो इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 3.14. एक्चुअल वैल्यू ऑफ पाई अगर आप देखोगे तो मिलेगा 3.1428 एंड सो फोर्थ, आगे चलता जा रहा है. वी डू नॉट हैव अ स्पेसिफिसिटी इन पाई का वैल्यू लाइक दिस. जब 22/7 आप डिवाइड करोगे तब की बात है. द सेम वे फॉर √2 and √3. So these all are irrational numbers. Now when I talk about rational numbers, they are having specific value in the sense they are into p/q form and they are present on number line. जैसे कि मैं बोल देती हूँ 2, 3, let's say 3/2, let's say 3/4, लेट्स से अभी मैंने नंबर लिखा था ये 2.737373 एंड सो फोर्थ, 0.33333 एंड सो फोर्थ. ये सारे नंबर्स आर रैशनल नंबर्स. नाउ when I talk about further division of a rational number, they are integers and fractions. Now when I talk about fractions, fractions are in p by q form where q is not equals to 0. P and q are co-prime. P and q are co-prime. Now the question is, what does it mean by co-prime? So any two numbers which do not have any common factors, मतलब कि no common factors, they are co-prime. Say for example मैं एक नंबर ले लेती हूँ, let's say 9, और मैं दूसरा नंबर ले लेती हूँ 8. So what are the factors of 9? It can be 1, 3 or 9. What can be the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. Now in दोनों में except 1 nothing is common. So 9 and 8 both are co-prime numbers. हालांकि दोनों में से एक भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. In the sense co-prime number होने के लिए there is no requirement of a number being prime. It can be composite number, it can be prime number, I don't mind. But they should not have any factor in common except 1. This is the definition of a co-prime number. Okay, now you are supposed to give me the answer in the comment box about a question. And my question is, which is the co-prime number of 21? Which is the co-prime number of 21? Your answers can be different, that's okay. There are so many co-prime numbers. To 21 you are supposed to identify at least 2. Give me at least 2 numbers which are co-prime to 21. So this is what you are supposed to answer in the comment section, and we'll go further with the integers. Now integers are further categorized into whole numbers and natural numbers. Now whole number are starting from 0, 1, 2 up to infinite, whereas natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Now when I talk about natural numbers are further categorized into 4 sections. Odd number, everyone knows about it, 1, 3, 5, 7. Even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8. Prime numbers which have exactly 2 factors. And composite numbers which has at least 3 or more factors. So this is the complete understanding about various types of numbers, and let us go ahead and let me ask you a few questions to clear your entire understandings. Let's revise once again. Numbers divided into 2 categories: real, imaginary. Real numbers are present on number line, whereas imaginary are mere the imagination, they do not exist on a number line. Real numbers are further divided into rational and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are non-terminating and non-repetitive kinds of numbers, whereas rational numbers are having specificity. Now integers and fractions are the types of the rational numbers. Integers are basically whole numbers, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, or maybe entire number -2, -5, but they'll not be in the points, matlab decimals nahi honge. Whereas fractions are into the p by q form where q is not equals to 0 and p and q are co-prime. Integers are further divided into whole numbers and natural numbers. Whole number starts from 0 to 1, 2, 3 up to infinite, whereas natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. Natural numbers are basically categorized into 4 sections: odd, even, prime, composite. Odd matlab 1, 3, 5, 7 up to infinite. Even matlab 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinite. Prime numbers having exactly 2 factors, and composite numbers having at least 3 factors or more. Now my question here in front of you is, which is the smallest composite number. Which is the smallest composite number? So first of all, we'll start checking from 1. First of all, what is the definition of a composite number? What is the definition of the composite number? At least 3 or more factors. Now, when I take 1 has exactly 1 factor. So it is not a composite number, because to be a composite number, it has to have 3 factors at least. 2, 1 and 2. There are 2 factors of 2 but not 3. To become a composite number, it has to have at least 3 factors. Now when I talk about 3, it also has 1 and 3 as 2 factors. It is not having 3 factors, so 3 is not a composite number. Now 4, 1, 2 and 4, there are 3 factors of 4. That means the smallest composite number is 4. Now many of you might confuse that 1 is the composite number, because many people understand like that the numbers, those which are not prime, are composite. Almost true, but not less than 3 factors. So 1 has only 1 factor, so it is neither prime, because prime has to have 2 factors, or 1 to have only 1 factor, so neither prime nor composite. Smallest composite number is 4 this ways. What if I ask you smallest prime number? So, yeah, 1 is neither prime nor composite, because if I say any number is prime, so my first prime requirement to check is there has to be exactly 2 factors. And 1 has only 1 factor, that is 1, so it's not prime. And 2 has 2 factors exactly, so smallest prime number is 2. Now many people sometimes create confusion that 3 is the smallest prime number, because they confuse prime and odd together. So 2 is the smallest prime number, not 3. But if my question is smallest odd prime number is what? Smallest odd prime number is what? So it shall be 3. Smallest odd prime number shall be 3. Smallest prime number shall be 2. And if I say smallest even prime number, I am sure you people will not get confused and tell me directly 2. This is what you can take base and you can just check out over here. So I am sure that you are clear with number of prime numbers and composite numbers and peculiarity and conceptualization of the same. But yes, my last question to you is, how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? Okay, tell me how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. Write down your answer in the comment section. I really want to see कि कितने लोग इस question का answer दे पाए. Oh yes, please don't forget to like and share this video if this video was helpful to you. And yes, do not forget to subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon in order to get such kind of content on regular basis. Do not forget to answer the question here there on the screen. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? Hope you like this video. Thank you so much.